Movement equals improvement. Movement equals improvement. How much are you moving during the course of the day? How many steps are you taking? You know, I have not been measuring my steps, but I've been walking 2 miles a day, and apparently that's not enough either. So I'm getting ready to, what I want to call it, beef up my miles. So you all come on and join me. Let's get moving. Let's get moving. So I'm making the lemon ginger blast, the famous lemon ginger blast, and I'm only doing, should make 2 servings, but I'm only gonna do like one bunch of celery, one bunch of cilantro, one bunch of parsley, one cucumber, one lemon, 2 green apples, parsley, and an inch of turmeric, and 2 inches of ginger. And what else I got? Oh, I added jalapeno pepper. I already got the hopper stuffed with the cilantro and some cucumbers and apples and the pepper. So we're gonna get this party started. And let me say, welcome to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Welcome into my laboratory. This is where the sparks began. This is where energy, the enzymes, the nutrients and minerals and everything come to life in the laboratory. Yes, it does. So, but I wanted to share that with you. And I just wanted to share my, the vest and the wrist and ankle weights, because I did a live on these last Friday, and you can go back last Friday and see the live that I did for unboxing the weights. Anyway, so, and I bought some hand weights too, but I don't have them in here with me. The hand weights are adjustable. You can do 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 5 pounds. So if you want to see that video, it's there a week ago. Check it out. Check it out. But I wanted to wear my gear to inspire you. And guess what? If you're a person that don't like outside, get your gear and wear it inside. This will still help strengthen your body. Yes, it will. And if I'm not mistaken, you can actually put this on and clean up with it. But do not wear it more than 2 hours. Do not wear it more than 2 hours. And you gotta stretch, warm up before you put it on. Before you put it on, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I wanted to do this because people are asking me why I make so much juice. Well, see, I make so much juice is so I'll have it for 3 days. It will keep in your refrigerator for 3 days. And so that's why I make so much. But now, for those of you who don't want to make as much, then you just do the one, whatever that recipe is, do the one, I'm going to say 1 serving, but it may not be 1 serving. But just do the one, what I just showed you. Absolutely. Because you know, I can actually do 4 bundles. So I'll have probably about 5 or 6 quarts of juice ready to go in the refrigerator. And that's how I drink it. So I just wanted you all to know that this is why I'm doing a small amount, to let you know you don't have to do as much as I do. Oh, here go my jalapeno. I thought I had stuck it in there. See that little jalapeno? Let me tell you something. If you're not accustomed to heat, don't use the jalapeno. Do not use jalapeno. Don't use any pepper. Because it will be hot. Yes, now you notice I only put, that was a half of a pepper. I don't buy those big peppers. No. So that was just a half of a pepper. So yeah, that's what you want to do. You want to do that. You all come on and join me in Getting Healthy Now. Let's strengthen our bodies. Let's strengthen our bodies. Absolutely. Because our bodies need it. I'm gonna strain this juice. Y'all know me and my green juice. This one I have to strain. So yeah, I want you to write in the comment section and let me know what kind of exercises you are doing. I am going to get back into the chair, into the chair exercises soon. It's coming soon. Absolutely. This is day 40 of our 40-day juice fast. And hats off to everybody who participated in this 40-day juice fast. So your challenges are not over. They're just beginning. July 1, we're coming up with a new one. And join me on my live on Saturday morning at 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will share with you our upcoming challenge for July. So join us. Join us, you guys. It's all about becoming healthy. That's the key. We have to work on it. We have to work on it. That's why I'm working so hard. And no, it's not hard. It's not hard. I'm not working hard. Let me just change that. I'm not working hard, but I'm working smart, and I'm enjoying the work. Yes, I am. I'm enjoying the work. So if you have been with me on, I don't think I need that, but I wanted to show you what came out of my garden yesterday. Y'all see this? See my tomatoes? They came out of my garden yesterday. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Yes, I am. Next week in July, I'm going to be doing some vegan, raw, vegan, vegetarian, whatever you want to call it, plant-based dishes. But it won't be every day. I'm going to do one a week. So I'm planning on doing this, is making a tomato sandwich. So hopefully when I get ready to do that, I'll have some tomatoes. And at the same time, at the beginning of the week, I'm just sharing everything. My okra water, I've got to drink all of this. I have to drink 64 ounces a day. So I've got to drink all of this and plus some more. All right, we're going to get ready to bottle this up. You all, okra water is so powerful. When I say powerful, powerful. I think I gave you all that the other week, the okra water, one day last week, I think, or the beginning of this week. I think it was Monday. I did. So yeah, powerful. And I challenge myself to drink okra water for the week, for 7 days. Absolutely. So I will be drinking okra water from now to Sunday. I started Sunday, so I'm going to end on Sunday. Yes, I'm going to end Sunday. But I wanted to see the effects of this water. Let's put you right there. See if all that'll go in there. Will it? Yeah. Yay. Yes, it will. Oh, yeah. Do I have? Oh, here it is. I've been saying, where's my other lid? All righty. So now you know that breaking it down to that one serving of that recipe, you got 2 16-ounce. So this is a 32. This is 32 ounces. So you got 2 16 ounces and almost another 16 ounces. So this is the famous lemon ginger blast. What I call is your wellness, healthy, healing juice. You all, Let me tell you this. I am not a doctor. I'm no physician. I do not prescribe any medication. I don't even prescribe your exercise routine. I don't do any of that. I'm just sharing my journey with you. Just sharing my journey of what I do. That's all. That's all I can do. But at the end of the day, your health is in your hands. And at the end of my day, my health is in my hands. So cheers. Cheers to heart health. Cheers to heart health. Let's do it, y'all. Let's do it. Whoa. If this is not a powerful juice, I promise you, it is so powerful, so refreshing. Oh my goodness, so refreshing. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Y'all gotta have some of this. You gotta have some of this. You all, if you're not accustomed to drinking lemon ginger blast, I promise you, this is the juice I would tell you to start out with. This is the most powerful juice. That's all I can tell you. It is the most powerful juice. The other day, I can't remember what happened, but anyway, I was kind of like feeling down in the dumps for something. I can't think of what it was now. But anyway, I picked up my jar of okra water, and I drank half of that jar. I drank half of it. So if this is full, I drank it down to here. You all, in 5 minutes, I had perked up. And that is no joke. That's no joke. That is the truth. You gotta try it for yourself. I was so energized and ready to go in 5 minutes. You can't tell me nothing. These juices, this okra water, whether you're drinking okra water, lemon water, lime water, mint water, what else? Oranges, with strawberries. I'm telling you, you guys, you power up your water when you make those changes. Okay? Let me say this. Welcome again to the newcomers. Welcome to the new subscribers. Welcome. So glad you are here. So glad you are here. And I appreciate all of my subscribers. Yes, I do. Those who have been with me from the beginning, and you're still here. After 2 years, after 2.5 years. Some of you all are still here. And some of you joined me back in October when I started out the juicing every day. And you have been juicing. Hats off to you. Hats off to you. Yes, and yes. We are so excited. I'm so excited, y'all. I am. Oh my goodness. So excited. Okay. So y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the like. Hit that like. Hit the like for me. Like. Like. Send me a comment and share this information all over the world. And you all, I do have a membership, which is called Juice Masters. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and join. Come on in and join. Take your juicing to the next level and join Juice Masters. Come on and join Juice Masters with me. All right? I'm going to see you over in the membership. Okay? I'm going to see you over in the membership. Just go to the Get Healthy Now Mastery homepage. You see the word join, Join. Click it and go ahead and join Juice Masters. You all, I am so grateful. We are here for the whole man, whole body, mind, spirit, and soul. We are building from the inside out. Building from the inside out. Reaching globally to make a change in the health and wealth of this world. This is our vision at Get Healthy Now Mastery. Come on and join the vision. Come on and join the vision, yes. And until the next video, again, I appreciate you all for joining me today. Go get you some weights. It doesn't matter. And let's do this thing together. Let's build from the inside out together. Peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.